Display. Samsung has the best displays among smartphones with its Galaxy S6 and Note 5 handsets, and the same is mostly true of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S2. Samsung Galaxy Tab S2 Review. It boasts a bright Super AMOLED screen with vivid colors and a 2048 by 1536 resolution that matches the iPad Air 2 and iPad Mini 4. That's good, but not the best from Samsung. The Galaxy Tab S slates at a resolution of 2560 by 1600 with more pixels per inch. The Tab S2 is technically a step down, even if you can notice at first glance. What happened? While the S1 sported a narrow, movie-friendly 16:9 aspect ratio, the new Tab S2 is wider, with a letter paper size 4:3 aspect ratio. It's more suited for web browsing. Samsung Galaxy Tab S2. Samsung dialed back the resolution in its rejiggering of the screen, but that the pixel count shouldn't concern you as much as the aspect ratio, especially for widescreen movie watchers. The Galaxy Tab S2 display is still really sharp and vibrant, but has a different objective that's spent on three things: web surfing, clipboard reading and iPad rivaling.